Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Git on your Mac machine. To install the Git on Mac machine, we have to download few tools, and the first one that we will be needing is called Homebrew. So open up your favorite browser and type Homebrew in the search bar, and then you should see this website. Make sure it's from brew.sh. Simply click on the first link, and then this is the command that we have to run on our Mac. Now simply click on this button to copy this command, then open your terminal and then right click and then paste it here. Once you hit the enter button, it is going to ask you for your Mac password. Enter your Mac password, and although you are typing your password, you will not be seeing any cursor movements or anything. It does it in the background, so it's fine. After entering your password, simply hit the enter button and hit the enter button one more time, and then it's going to start the installation process. Now, let me explain a little bit about the Brew. It's a tool that we use to install other tools on Mac easily. Today we are using the Homebrew to install Git, but it can be used to install many other tools easily on your Mac. It is going to be a very useful tool in the future as well. One more thing, depending upon your internet connection and your computer speed, it might take a little while. So once the installation is complete, the next step that we have to do is this one. We have to run this command, and it's a very important step. So please make sure that you are paying attention. So you have to copy this command, start from this eval, and then you have to copy the entire thing like this. I'm pressing Command C, or you can right click and copy, and then you can press again, double click, and you can paste this command. This is going to set your path, and that's how the terminal is going to recognize this tool. Now, once this step is done, now let's verify whether the Brew has been installed properly or not. So to make sure that Brew has been installed properly, you have to type brew --version. And if you see something like this, Homebrew 4.3 point something, that means the Brew was installed properly and it has been set up properly. Now, once the Brew is installed, now we are going to install the Git. So we will say brew install Git. And this command is going to install the Git on our computer now. Again, it will download the files and everything from the internet, so it might take a little while. And once the download is complete, then it will install the Git on your Mac machine. And then, okay, so it's complete. Again, we can run git --version to check whether the Git has been installed properly or not. As you can see, it is showing me this version 2.3.9. That means it was also installed properly. Now, once the installation is complete, we have to now link our Git with our GitHub. So in the previous video, I have showed you how to create the accounts on GitHub. We have to link our Git with that GitHub account so that we can pull the exercises from syntax easily. For that, again, we have to run few more commands, and the first one is git config --global and then user.name, and after that space, and then inside the double quotes you have to enter your name. So let's say, for example, in my case it's going to be Asghar Nazir. So it is done. The next is user.email, and this is very important. This email, it should be the same email that you have used to sign up on that GitHub account. So for example, in my case, it is going to be syntaxtechs.com. Please use the same email that you have used with Syntax to sign up with Syntax and to sign up on that GitHub account. It's very important. And then hit the enter button. So now the Git has been installed, it has been configured, and now you are ready to start pulling the homeworks from the Syntax repository. If you face any issues during the installation or anything else, please take the screenshot of the error or your entire console and post in the support channel so that team can assist you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.